go here, weekly wheeler. Today is Saturday morning, 1st of December, first of the new month, 6:48 in the morning. Looking at the May contract 2019. We've got the monthly chart in front of us, just our yearly chart with monthly candles. Long-term view, what can we identify on here? We've still been looking at an upwards trend at the present moment. All the moving average nicely in place. The short-term 10, the 60 and the 30 all pointing up. We closed 174.25. We're holding our own at the moment. Let's pop down and have a look more precisely. We can see here that 74.25, we've sort of got a no forming candle here. We're holding our own just above this short-term moving facing upwards 10 SMA on the monthly. Pop down into the weekly. You can see here third week, and we're finding support at the present moment, 174.25. Haven't got back above the moving average on the weekly. Pop down at the order report and daily, and we can see here, if we zoom in, that we can see that the market is holding above the 10 SMA and now breaking through the 30 SMA. The logical target would be coming up to test the 60 again, and the 60 is coming in at 177.45. So 174.25, value of £3 or £4 would see us nicely coming into the end of the year. Let's have a look more zoom on the daily. And if you can see where I move my mouse over here, you can see that we closed above the 30 SMA. The 10 is keeping it in line, and you can see here quite clearly where you come in here at the 60 SMA, 177.45. So we'll be looking for continued support and a rally up to test this level next week, coming in line with the long-term trend. Now let's pop over to have a look at the November on the weekly. This is now the third week, positive third week. We identified last week that we had this swing low here and this candle here with a long wick went down to test to 153. We're now at 158.45. Logically, we'll be looking for a whole number test of 160. Let's have a look on the daily. You can see here on the daily that the green candles are forming above the short-term moving average. We've above that the 10 SMA. We've now broken through the 30 short-term moving average on the daily, 158.45. And the SMA on there, the 60 is coming in at 160.64. So we got confirmation that we're looking at a whole number test and the 60 SMA, and that lines up with this swing low here. I'm pointing my mouse over here that came in September here. The low was 160. Let's have a look on the more zoom in on the daily. We can see here we're crossing above this and holding above these two short-term moving averages, and we can see our target moving average here at 160.64. So what are we looking for next week? We're looking for the market to continue on this short-term trend upwards, to go and test the 60 SMA on the May contract and on the November. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.